Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Ask NK. Today we have some interesting updates for those who like free stuff. So it's supposed to be, Free Friday, but it's in a very interesting way an update to lots of stuff that we've talked about in previous Free Fridays. So the website which we're looking at is known as Polyheaven. You might have heard a word that sounds very familiar, and that is Heaven. So the thing here is the folks that created the HDR Heaven and also the Texture Heaven and 3D Heaven, they've decided to put these things together as one platform. So instead of having these in 3 different platforms, they decided to come together and put it as one platform so that you can get everything you're looking for on one website. So it's very interesting to see that right here we have this one going. Although the websites are still available, so if you go over to the HDRI Heaven, that is still also available for those who still want to go to this website. And yes, if you also go over to sites like Texture Heaven and also the 3D Heaven, those websites are also available. But the Polyheaven is more like a unification of everything together. So just in case you want to find a place where you can find 3D assets, you want to find textures, you want to find your HDRs, you can find all of these in one place. So to get started, you need to click on the browse button, and this will take you over to the respective pages. So in this case, we have models, and you can tell that some of the models that we have on this page is very reminiscent of the models that we already saw in the 3D Heaven. And there is also textures that we've already seen in Texture Heaven. You can also find these ones here. So it's very, very lovely to see that there's this collaboration of bringing everything from different places in one spot. You can also go ahead and check out for the HDRs, and you can download tons of HDRs. Right now there is 469. For the textures, you're having 218. And for the models, this one is still growing, and there is 66 of these. So just in case you are into downloading stuff, or probably you don't know that these sites exist like this one, probably you don't know that these ones exist, you don't need to memorize all of this anymore. You just need one port where you can find everything at once. So this is a very quick update. It popped up and I decided to share it with you guys. So for those who like downloading free stuff, you can rush here and download those free stuff and keep a tab or simply bookmark this anytime you're looking for a free HDRI, a free texture, or a free 3D model. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys next time, peace.